Exercise number 2.5, 11th problem. We will discuss here. 1/4 of a herd of deer has gone to the forest. 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field, and remaining 15 are drinking water on the bank of a river. Find the total number of deer. By reading the question last, he asked us to find out the total number of deer. So, let the total number of deer, you should assume as X. How many deers are there in a herd? In herd, how many deer are there? X deer are there. Okay. Now, 1/4 of herd of deer has gone to the forest. So, number of deer went to forest. How many? 1/4 of number of deer. 1/4 of herd of deer. Herd of deer is X. So 1/4 of herd of deer means 1/4 into X. You can write it as X by 4. So X by 4th of herd of deer went to forest. Next, what he given here? 1/3 of the total number is grazing in a field. So here, part of herd of deer which are grazing is equals to how much part he said here? 1/3. 1/3 of head of deer. 1/3 of head of deer means 1/3 into X. Means it becomes X by 3. It becomes X by 3. Now what he said is 15. Remaining 15 are drinking. So total is this. This much went to forest. This much they are grazing in the field. Remaining is 15. After these two, remaining is 15. Okay. Now what you should do is, from this X, if you subtract sum of these two, so answer you have to get as 15, because total number of deer, these two are number of deer went to forest and grazing. So remaining means from this you have to subtract this one. You will get this one. Okay. Now how to do subtraction? That is X. Okay. LCM for 4 and 3 is 12. 3x plus 4x is equals to 15. It is x minus. Now I am doing on the top here. Now what is remain here? X. Okay. Minus of 3x plus 4x is 7x by 12 is equals to 15. Here x means x by 1 I said, minus 7x by 12 is equal to 15. LCM for 1 and 12 is 12. 12x minus 7x is equal to 15. Okay. From 12x, if you subtract 7x, how much you are getting is 5x you are getting. So 5x by 12 is equals to 15. 12 take to this side. 15 into 12. X is equals to 15 into 12 by 5. So x is equals to 16. 12 3s are. X is equals to 12 3s are how much here? 36. So in a herd of deer, 36 deers are there. How many in a herd? How many deer are there? 36 are there. 1/4 went to forest. This problem is right or wrong, we'll see it. From 36, you should subtract 1/4 of deer means 36 by 4 went to forest. 36 by 3 went for grazing in the field. So 36, okay. 4 1s are 4 9s are 3 1s are 3. So here it is 1/3 and it is 1/4 maybe. So you should add, otherwise add. Okay. 1/4 means here 36 by 4 plus 36 by 3. So 4 ones are 4 nines are 3 ones are 3 twelves are. 12 plus 9 is how much here? 12 plus 9, 21. So from 36 subtract 21, how much you are getting here? 15. So 15 are remaining, he said already for us. 15 deer are remainder. So you got exact answer. So our problem is correct. So this do 2 to 3 times to practice it. One time if you listen it won't come to you. You should do more number of times. Next question is 12th question. These are very important. By selling a radio for 903 rupees, a shopkeeper gains 5%. Find the cost price of the radio. So like this sums already came in 5th class. In 5th class, maybe you wrote Navodaya entrance test. So 5th class is very important for mathematics starting stage. That if you don't know, 5th, 6th if you don't know, 7th also, you can't understand 8th class. Okay. So now we'll see here, selling price of a radio. Selling price of a radio. So for how many rupees he purchased here? 903 rupees he purchased. Selling price. Selling means not purchased, he sold. He sold to other person. How much percentage he got? Gain percent. How much he got here? 5% he got it. Find the cost price. So you have to find cost price of a radio. For this radio cost price you have to find. So which is very important is, the formula is very important here. Which we know is, we know selling price and gain percent. 100 into SP by 100 plus G percent is the formula for CP. 100 I wrote as it is. Selling price 903 I written. 100 plus gain percent is here 5. Now should not cancel 100 because here plus is there. 100 into 903 same as it is. 100 plus 5 is 105. Now in 3 table or 5 table, 5 21s are, 5 20s are. So if you know 3 table, 3 7s are, 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 1s are. Now again 7 table, 7 1s are, 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are. So you got here 20 into 43. 20 into 43. So 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. You got 860. So what is this 860 rupees? It is cost price of radio. So he purchased the radio for 860 rupees and he sold to 903 rupees. So selling price is greater than the cost price. SP is greater than CP. So he will get profit only. When he will get loss, if CP is greater than 100 SP, if CP is greater than SP, he will get loss. Okay. If a pencil he purchased for 10 rupees and if he sold for 8 rupees. So purchasing cost means CP is greater than selling price. So he will get loss. Now the last question in this chapter is, this is the last question. Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets to Renu and then gives 5 sweets to Raji. He has 7 sweets left. Same, it is like 11 sum. Dear sum is there or not? Same, how dear sum is there, this is also same. What he is asking, if you read entire question, how many did he have to start with? So total sweets, how many are there? So total sweets with him, total number of sweets. So we don't know how to assume as x here. So Shekhar gives a quarter of his sweets to Renu. So number of sweets given to Renu. For Renu, how many sweets they given or he given? Means quarter. Quarter means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of total sweets. 1 by 4 into x, you have to write it as x by 4. Okay. Next what he said is, then he gives 5 sweets to Rosie. Number of sweets given to Raji. For Raji, he given 5 sweets. Okay. He has 7 sweets left. Remaining sweets left. Remaining sweets left. 7 sweets left. So here, x is what here? Total number of sweets. From this, what you have to do subtraction here? The sweets given to Renu is Renu, and this 5 if you add. These two already from this only he given. Remain how many? 7. This you have to do simplification. X minus, okay. And here if you take LCM, otherwise multiply with minus symbol here. It is just number is there here. Minus x by 4 minus 5 is equal to 7. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. So number take to this side. X means here x by 1 minus x by 4 is equal to 7 plus 5. Now I am doing this problem on top here for your understanding purpose. Now x by 1 minus x by 4 is equals to 7 plus 5 is how much here? 12. For 1 and 4 LCM is how much? 4. 1 how many times will go? 1 how many times will go? 4 times. This 4 into numerator x, 4x. 4 how many times it will go? 1 time. 1 into x, x only. Remaining same I copied. From 4x you have to subtract 1x, 3x. So 3x by 4 is equals to 12. 3x is equals to, this 4 is dividing here. If you take to this side, multiply 4 12s are 48. 3x is equals to 48. Now 3x is equal to 48. I should find out the value of x here. 3 is multiplying 48 by 3. So cancellation, x equals to 16. So this Shekhar has 16 sweets with him. How many sweets are there with Shekhar? 16 sweets are there. So 1/4 of sweets. 1/4 of sweets means 16 by 4. And also 5 sweets he gave to, from 16 sweets he gave 1/4 of sweets and 5 sweets to Renu and Raji. So 16, okay. 1/4 of 16 means 4 here. 4 plus 5 is 9 here. From 16, if you subtract 9, how much you will get it? 7. So 7 sweets left off. He given already. So it is the problem. This is called checking. We can check our answer in mathematics. So till now we completed 2 chapters. So I want to conduct one slip test also for you. So be ready with 2 chapters. Okay. So we'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.